Write the scale 5 millimeters to 30 centimeters as a ratio in its simplest form and without units. So we need the same units if we're going to get rid of units. So that's 5 millimeters and 30 centimeters is 300 millimeters. We can then get rid of the units. Both of these divide by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 300 divided by 5 is 60. Three similar triangles are shown below, although they are not drawn to the same scale. Some of the side lengths in centimeters are shown. So let's look at what's corresponding here. So between x and z we've got a 24. Between x and z here we've got the b. Between x and z here we've got the 12. Let's just change pen colour. Between x and y I've got 12. Between x and y I've got 3. Between x and y we've got c. And then just change colour again. And the remaining sides must also correspond. So let's see what happens now. So if we look at this one, the lengths in this one are half of the lengths in this one because the corresponding sides are 24 and 12. So between x and y we've got 12. Here we've got c. So that tells me that c must be half of 12, which is 6. Now let's look at this one, and the 12 and the 3 correspond. So the lengths in this one are a quarter of the lengths in this one. So that's 24. A quarter of 24 is 6. So b is equal to 6. So what else can we find? We've got to find a. Now we've got a 4 here, and we've already worked out that the lengths in this one are 4 times as much as this one. So that would give us that a is equal to 4 times 4, which is 16. And we've got d left to find. That's between the z and the y. So what have we got between z and y? Between z and y we've got this 4 here. And also the a, we've already discovered the a was 16, and we know that the lengths in this one are half of the lengths in this one, so the d would be 8. A student used a map drawn to a scale of 1 to 10,000 to plan a walk. The length of the walk on the map was 5.5 centimeters. State with reasoning whether the length of the walk was more than a kilometer. So the length on the map is 5.5, so in the real world that's going to be 5.5 times 10,000. So 5.5, multiply that by 10,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 55,000 centimeters. So that's going to be 550 meters, which is 0.55 kilometers. So it's less than 1 kilometer.